Using a food processor is like having your own personal sous chef. It will save you from having to do tons of tedious and tiring prep work. A great food processor is able to dice, mince, grind, knead, puree, slice and shred. Whether you want to knead a pizza dough, grate potatoes, and slice onions for latkes or puree a pesto, a trusty food processor will make the task faster.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best food processors in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor. This affordable food processor has a simple, easy-to-use design that snaps into place easily. Like with most food processors, the main blade chops, mixes, purees, and emulsifies, and an attachment disc is included with a slice side and shred/grate side. For clearly labeled buttons let you choose between the different functions, and the blades store neatly inside the machine. Cleaning this food processor is easy, with the only issue being the gap between the plunger and lid lip where food can gather. This food processor is not as heavy-duty or durable as some others on this list, so it will likely need replacing after a few years if used often. That said, it's easier to put together, take apart, and clean than some of the pricier models, and it still yields very consistent results. Number 2. Cuisinart 14-cup food processor. A true kitchen workhorse, this doesn't have a lot of frills, but will get the job done easily. The brushed stainless steel food processor has 2 large paddle buttons, one for on and one for off/pulse, which are all you really need. The 14-cup work bowl is large enough for family cooking and has an extra large feed tube with large and small pushers, so you won't need to cut ingredients to make them fit. This includes one shredding disc, one slicing disc, and a removable disc stem that fits both, along with a metal blade for chopping, mixing, blending, and emulsifying. Our at-home tester was impressed with how well the machine kneaded dough, and our lab testers reported that it was easy to use, aside from assembling the attachments for the first time. They did note that this machine was somewhat tricky to clean, but that it was a great value for an average-priced food processor. One of our editor's parents has had this same food processor for decades, and it still works like new. Number 3. GE Food Processor. This food processor combines a powerful motor with sharp blades, so if you want to get your hummus super smooth or sweet potatoes shredded quickly, this is a great option. Our lab testers were very happy with how easy this machine was to set up, use, and clean. She said it was simple and straightforward. Its biggest selling point is its versatility. Rather than just coming with a standard blade, slicing disc, and grating disc, this also comes with a French fry disc, dough blade, emulsifying disc, mini chopping bowl, and spatula. This food processor is easy to clean by hand, but our lab tester mentioned that they got cut on both an attachment and the blade, and noted, you just have to be especially cautious because of how sharp it is. They also said that it had a bit of inconsistency when chopping onions and zucchini, but felt that it was a great value that's worthy of recommending to friends and family. Number 4. KitchenAid 13-cup food processor. Another particularly good value, our lab tester found this food processor to be extremely user-friendly and self-explanatory. In addition to the regular blade, it comes with an adjustable slicing disc, a reversible shredding disc, a dough blade, and a storage caddy that allows you to store all the pieces compactly inside the bowl. Since the plunger has an oil drip, cleaning can be slightly more involved, but it doesn't have many nooks and crannies for food to get stuck. Our lab tests noted a tiny bit of inconsistency with dicing and shredding, but overall it performed very well. Number 5. Cuisinart SFP13 Elemental. The 13-cup Elemental from Cuisinart comes equipped with 2 work bowl sizes, 13 and 4 cups, to handle large and small jobs. The wide-mouth tube features small, medium, and large pushers. Blades in the bowl lock in with a very tight seal. This model is more user-friendly and easy to assemble than some other Cuisinart models, and still performed beautifully in our lab tests. This includes an adjustable slicing disc to let you choose the thickness of your slice, a dicing disc with a 10mm grid, a reversible shredding disc for medium and fine shredding, a dough blade for mixing and kneading, and a stainless steel blade for chopping, blending, and emulsifying. It also includes a cleaning tool to help clean the nooks and crannies of the cutting accessories and a storage case to keep everything contained instead of rolling around a drawer. That was our list of the top 5 best food processors in 2023 just for you.